Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram grid. To know how to fix Instagram grid, you should just go to settings. Then here in this page you will go to apps and you will enter. In this list you will go down to the application of Instagram as you see. And after that in this page you will go to force stop here. Then you will enter to storage. And then in this page here like this you will click, you will go to clear cache like this, and after that you will click clear data, and after all that you can turn off your Wi-Fi so that you can know how to fix Instagram glitch Instagram grid. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.